Like I've said before, we have a bunch of different kinds of members we can place into classes. We have an example of fields, constructors, and methods. There's a couple more, and the one I want to talk about is called a property. A property is a crazy bit of syntax. What makes this a property is it starts with its modifiers. In this case, we're marking this property as public. It has a type, just like a field does, and a local variable, and it has a name. The names follow the same conventions as method names, except method names should contain a verb, whereas properties should simply be a noun. Just like how our variables and fields are. Then we open up curly braces, and that's where things get kind of freaky. Think of a property as a collection of two methods. It's a shorthand syntax for creating two methods. One is a getter, and one is a setter. Right now, our getter and setter do the exact same thing as the getName method and the setName method. They have the same code in them. When we have a getter, although we don't have any access modifiers on the getter, we don't have any type on the getter, and we don't have an identifier on the getter, this is a method. This method has to return data that is of the same type as the type of the property. Then we have a setter. Again, no access modifiers, no return type, no parameters, no name. It's just the keyword set followed by a block of code. A setter will always return null, or sorry, not null, void. A setter returns nothing.